จังเลย
Are you trying to hatch my potato?
This is literally the face he gives before he's about to. Fuck! Are you okay? Your head kind of hit my phone, even though you're being.
The hand of God when you're staring at a demigod.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh?
What my cat does when there is no food left in her bowl.
Minnie.
It stinks like buck poo. Bad. I smelled it earlier and now it's back. Whatever the smell is, it's fucking back.
I think I know what it is.
It's really stinky.
Yeah, but he's not what we're looking for. Okay.
Oh, that guy looks strong and cool.
Not a guy.
You so bad.
Jinx, what are you doing?
I think my cat is broken.
Who the fuck put this cat bowl up here? Got him going through trials and tribulations for a nibble to kill him.
Minnie, you're right. I do have
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck? Hello?
Where? Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!